Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you some good alternatives to use if ChatGPT is currently disabled or not supported in your country. So the first alternative we have is a website called Jasper AI. So just search Jasper AI and click the first link. After that, press get a demo and press 1 to 50 people. Then just press try Jasper for free and claim 10,000 words free. And that's going to open your free trial. So basically, Jasper is the same as ChatGPT. You can ask it to write an email or a question or something, and I'll write that. So just press templates and then press commands and enter your command here. And I'm just going to say, hello, can you please write an email that advertises my tech YouTube channel? But you can write any question you want. And after you're done, you can select how many outputs you want and just press generate. So as you can see, it wrote me an email. And because I chose 3 outputs, it actually wrote me 3 emails doing the same thing. If I don't like one of them, I could just use the other. And as you can see, it automatically like assumes some things because I didn't give it enough information. But if you give it that information, it's going to use it. So our second alternative it's actually made by the same company that made ChatGPT, and it's called Playground AI. So just search Playground AI and press the first result, and then press Playground. And this is very similar to ChatGPT. They're actually very similar models. So just press the same thing, just like write the same email you want. So just press, can you write me an email that advertises my YouTube channel? And it'll give you another prompt. It'll give you another email, I'm sorry. And as you can see, it worked very similar to ChatGPT and Jasper, and it gave us an email. So that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.